Hey guys, today we're going to sort and organize our data, so let's get started. What kind of flavor do you like? So here we have the types of flavor. We have chocolate, strawberry, and vanilla. So let's count. Chocolate, I see 1, 2, 3. I'll put my 3 chocolate here. 3 chocolates, so that is 3 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, and 3. Okay. Strawberry, let's move it over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And then I have 1, 2. 2 vanilla. 1, 2. I write the number 2. Okay. So now I'm going to go over here. I am going to make a bar graph to match my data. So let's take a look at our chocolate flavor. We have 1, 2, 3. So I will fill it in 1, 2, 3 for the chocolate. Now for the strawberry, I have 4 votes, so I fill it in 1, 2, 3, and 4. The vanilla, I have 2 votes, so I fill it in 1, 2. So you can see this bar graph right here matches with the tally marks with the data that we have over here. I can see that the least number of votes went to vanilla and the most votes went to strawberry. And together, let's see how many people were surveyed. We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there were 9 people that were surveyed in all. Use the tally chart to create a bar type graph. So here we have the tally chart. Over here we have the bee with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 votes. The ladybug with 3 votes. And the butterfly with 4 votes. Okay, we're going to use that information to make our bar graph. So B, I need 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The ladybug, I need 3 votes. 1, 2, 3. And the butterfly has 4 votes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I look at my bar graph, I can tell that the bee has the most votes and the ladybug has the least number of votes.